Most college students have experienced trauma, and many are navigating significant levels of stress. We know that affects their ability to focus, engage, and learn. I'm Dr. Megan Holmes, professor and co-director of the Center on Trauma and Adversity at Case Western Reserve University. Since 2018, faculty at our center have been developing and implementing trauma-informed teaching strategies grounded in the neuroscience of trauma, stress, and healing. In this workshop, my colleagues, Dr. Amy Korsh-Williams and Dr. Dakota King-White, and I will help educators see their learning environments differently. Not just what we teach, but how the environments we create influence students' capacity to learn. Participants will leave with practical, evidence-informed strategies they can implement immediately to create learning environments where students can engage, connect, and succeed. Because when we understand what the stressed brain needs to learn, we can design our learning environments differently.